Hi, this is a recipe video on how to make one-pot chicken and rice with the new wave Duracore Lux 6-quart Dutch oven. First, heat olive oil in the pot. Season chicken thighs with salt and pepper. Then sear chicken thighs on both sides. Add onion, garlic, bell pepper, and sauté for 3 minutes. Stir in rice, paprika, and chicken broth. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat to low. Cover with the lid and simmer for 30 minutes. At the last 5 minutes, stir in the peas. When the rice is tender and chicken is cooked through, plate the chicken and rice and garnish with parsley and lemon wedges. The one-pot chicken and rice is ready to serve. Enjoy!
New Wave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.